Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun, beautiful, easy lantern swag. For this lantern swag, you're going to need a lantern, and I ended up going with the taller one instead of this short one, so you'll have to let me know which one you like better. You're going to need a piece of the round foam from Dollar Tree, and you're going to need some floral picks, and my floral picks came from Dollar Tree and Walmart. This section over here all came from Walmart, Mainstays brand, and then this section over here, they came from Dollar Tree. You can make this lantern swag for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for summer. So first you're going to want to take your floral picks and cut them into shorter pieces, and these came from Walmart, and it's a nice full bunch of flowers. I like to cut all of my floral picks into shorter pieces first, then sometimes when I'm making the arrangement I have to go back and cut them even shorter, and then you're going to want to take your foam, poke some holes in it, that way you can take a zip tie and attach two together to attach it to the top of your lantern swag. So now I'm taking the longer wispy like pieces and I am just doing a pattern with them. So I'm putting one at the top, one at the bottom. Usually what I do at the top I try to repeat at the bottom, or what I do on the left side I do on the right side. It does not have to be perfect, but I like to do a pattern when I'm making floral arrangements. Also, before you get started, you could cover the foam with some floral moss. You could also add a little bit of hot glue on the end of each floral pick before you push it into the foam. I don't usually add any hot glue and they stay together great for me, so it's your choice. So notice on the outer edge I did the longer, wispier flowers, so you're going to want to choose flowers with different shapes and different textures and different types of flowers. And here I'm just doing a pattern with mine, and I do the same process throughout the whole process. And then for the center you could add a bow, but I decided to add a pretty flower, so either one will work. I usually add a hole to the center of the foam, that way if I need to I can thread a wire through. Just remember you want to add some fun textures, and I just love these little flowers from Walmart. They are so cute and fun, so try to find something a little unexpected to give your arrangement some movement. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment letting me know which lantern you prefer the lantern swag on. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. And if you like this tutorial, please share it with a friend. To attach the swag to the lantern, I'm just taking a couple of zip ties, zip tying them together so I'll have a little extra length, taking the zip tie, threading it through one of the top holes of the foam, and then just going to zip tie it to the handle of the lantern, or you could use some floral wire or twine to attach your swag to your top of your lantern. If you have long zip ties, then you probably won't need to put them together, but I had to take two, put them together, thread it through the hole at the top, and then I just zip tied it to the handle on top of the lantern. But I decided it was a little too big for this lantern, so I decided to go with a taller lantern, so you'll have to let me know which one you prefer it on, this black lantern or the taller white lantern. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's having a wonderful summer.